Welcome to Baluchi Zone. This lesson is about this unique Balochi Á, its usage and meaning in Balochi language. Before I go any further, I would like to clarify that there are two Á in Balochi language as shown in the screen. First Á means the informal version of he, she, and it also means that. As in, he is going. Á ravagint. Or if you want the formal version, it would translate as ái ravagint. That is better. Á gehtrent. Á gehtrent. So this is the first Á in Balochi. Now let's move on to the second Á in Balochi, which I often use with an apostrophe, and it is written differently in the traditional Balochi font. In one of my previous lessons, I described this Á as a preposition to, as in, he goes to Karachi. Á Karachi Á route. Á Karachi Á route. However, there's more to this unique Á. It also translates as the, at, and even to the. Let us compare it to English. Let's translate a sentence with both to and the. Give me the stick. Or in this case, give to me the stick. Lato mano bede. Or you can say Lato mano de. In Persian, the translation would be Chubro beman bede. In Balochi, mana means me, but originally this is a combination of two words, and the two words are man plus Á, meaning to I. Therefore, another word for to I is me. This is how we get me in Balochi. Of course, this has caused a lot of complication among Balochi language enthusiasts, and it still does to this day. Let's do more examples. He took the goat. Ája pass bort. Ája pass bort. Or in Persian it would be U bozra board. Another complicating factor about this unique Balochi Á is that we often attach it to names and nouns. For example, the dog barked. Kocheka rashet. Kochek Á rashet. Simple enough so far. How about John cried? Here things gets interesting. If we translate John cried to Balochi, it would translate as John Á griet. John Á griet. But if we translate Á as the here, this sentence would translate as the John cried. The John cried. This doesn't sound right grammatically, but in Spanish language something similar exists when a sentence consists of a name. For example, El Señor Gómez would translate as Mr. Gómez in English, and not the Mr. Gómez, even though the masculine El is Spanish the accompanying Señor Gómez. Also, the Á in Balochi is often found attached to names when we are talking about a person or a sentence is about a person, especially for sentences in past tense. However, it can also be used for sentences in the present tense. Let's do some examples. If I wanted to say the dog vomited, it would be translated as کوچک آ شانت. And if I wanted to say the dog barked and ran, it would translate as کوچک آ راشت و تاتک. کوچک آ راشت و تاتک. Moreover, this unique R can also be translated through at, as in I am at home. I am at home. من لوگ آ ام. من لوگا. I am at work. من کار آ ام. من کارا ام. Come at 10. دها بیا. دها بیا. As you can observe, this Balochi Á is very fascinating and can also be translated as to the, as in come to the house. لوگ آ بیا. لوگا بیا. I went to the mosque. من مسیت آ شدم. من مسیتا شدم. Finally, let us do a sentence with a name and to the, as in don't take George to the mosque. I want you to translate this sentence. George آ مسیت آ ما بر. Georgia مسیتا مبر. Or you can say مبر Georgia مسیت آ. Or even مسیتا مبر Georgia. So to wrap up, this unique Balochi Á is a preposition to. It is also a the, at, and to the.